Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be having a look at one of the packs of cards from our Sentinels of the Multiverse Kickstarter for Oblivion, and we're looking at this little one here. I don't know what's in it. There's a hero card for Luminary in the back, and then on one side rather, and then on the other side there's the reverse of a villain card. So we will find out as we get down to the table and have a look at what's in here. Okay, so here we are. We have a deck of cards. Let's see what's in here. As I said, we have they're all cards. They're all sort of like hero cards for the moment, and it's not so it's not the villain card, it's when you're dead. So with the Extreme Prime Warden's Tempest, I think there might be different variations of cards. Let's have a look what we have. Okay, so we start off with Luminary. Oops. Just get it in the right position. There we go. Stuntman. Akash Threya. Benchmark and Demand. It's a new one for me. Don't know that one. Captain Cosmic. Writhe. Cosmic Inventor. These are one of the new ones. Dirk Watch. The Harpy. And then we have another one of the new ones, Dr. Medico. And we have Skyscraper Extremist. And another one for Skyscraper Extremist as well. Don't know what the difference is between the two. I think they're just variations. Have a look at the variation cards that I have and see which ones I have and what I haven't. And another one for Skyscraper. One will be normal, small, and yes, that's what the difference is. So we have when Skyscraper grows and becomes huge, you use that card. Normal size, that card. And when she shrinks down to be tiny, you use that card. That's right, yes. I forgot that's the thing with her. And then we have Purse, Fugue State. Oops. That's the reverse of the card. Freedom 5, Absolute 0. Freedom 5 is Bunker. Freedom 5's Legacy. Freedom 5's Tachyon. And the character I usually play is Freedom 5's Wraith. And then I can't try to read that one. I think it used to be El Capitan, now it's changed the name now. And this one I can't actually read it properly because of the artwork and the styling of the letters. Lifeline Blood Mage. Omnitron U rather than Omnitron Fleet. Ra, setting sun, the Egyptian god, kind of efforty bob. Mainstay, the Road Warrior. I can't read that, but it's the idealist. I can't read the top bit. Hope you can. Visionary Unleashed. Some of the text on this, along with the artwork, makes it very difficult to read. Oh no, that's very retro. Extreme Prime Wardens, the Urgent Adept. Or something out of a, looks like it could be out of a comic strip that I used to read when I was a child. The same with that one. We've gone quite retro for these Prime Wardens. This is Fanatic. And no, not the final one, next to the last one is Hacker. And the final one is Tempest. Well, there we go. That's it for this video. All alternate hero cards. I'm not quite sure what they all do, what's the difference to these, but we'll have a look and find out at some point. But that's it. How do they do it on these magic shows where they just get the cards and just do that? And it's quite, yeah, can't do it, but never mind. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.